Hello everyone, so welcome or welcome back to my channel. This is Madhusmita. So today in this video I'm going to try a new bold look. So yeah, here am I. Whenever I put a story about suggestions and all, each and every one of you guys have suggested me for a bold look. I don't know why you guys are so obsessed with the bold look. Finally I created this look, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Share this video with your friends as much as possible. Before moving on to the video, let me give you a slight information that the smoky eye look which I have created today will be up on my Instagram prior 3 days of this video. Definitely in that Instagram video I will give you a detailed tutorial of this eye look, so wait for it. So till then, enjoy this video. So I'll start my makeup by using the Shea Sheet hydrating lotion. For the foundation, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Infallible 24 Hours foundation as we are doing a bold makeup. So for bold makeup, we also need a high coverage foundation. As you can see, the foundation gave me a really good coverage. Now we are moving on to the concealer. So the concealer I'm using is the Wet n Wild concealer. Just because you can see these small dark spots over here, that's why I'm going to use the NYX concealer palette. Actually a light shade for me, that's why I'm going to use the contour shade. So since we are ready with the base, now we are going to use the Bharat and Doris translucent powder, and this powder I'm going to use as contouring and also for baking. So for baking I'm going to put this under my eyes and my jaw areas. So I will let this to bake for 5 minutes. Till then we can do our eye makeup. So for the eye makeup I'm going to do a black smoky eyes, and I'm going to apply this in my eyelids. Our lids are done. Just pause our eye makeup and do rest of our face, and then we'll move on to my eyes makeup again. So since my baking is done, now I'll just remove the excess powder. Compact powder, I'm going to use the Isadora's anti-shine mattifying powder, and this is in the shade matte caramel. So since we are done with the face, let's just move on to our eye makeup. I'll use the kajal first so that my lower line will also look good. Take the black shade of this Morphe palette over here and I'll put this in my lower line. Now let's just move on to my eyebrows. So for the eyebrows, the first and foremost thing I do is using a pulley and setting my brows. Use the Wet n Wild brow kit. I'll take the light shade over here. Now I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Mega Clear Gel just before applying the mascara, because it really makes my eyelashes lump free when I apply the mascara. So I let the gel gets dry. Now I'm going to use the Wet n Wild contour palette. moving on to a highlighter. As usual, I'm going to use the Sugar Cosmetics highlighter. Apply this highlighter in my brow bone. To apply the same highlighter in my inner corner of my eyes so that it will make my eyes look more attractive. To complete my eye makeup, I'm going to use the Maybelline Push Up Drama Mascara. Now we are done with our complete eye look. I hope you guys like it. So the lipstick I'm going to use is this beautiful red shade. This is Gala of London liquid lipstick. As you can see, this is such a beautiful red shade and it's absolutely best for any party wear. So to complete my look, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild matte spray so that my, when I party, when I dance, so that my makeup will last for long.